Set number 21, 10 items civil service related mathematics. Number 1, 2 and 1/4 divided by 2/3. Kapag division and multiplication of fraction, dapat itong mga mixed numbers, gawin muna nating improper fraction. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. Kopyahin ang denominator. Tapos 2/3. 9/4, kopyahin lang siya. Si division maging multiplication at si divisor reciprocal. So 2/3 maging 3/2. Ngayon pwede na tayong mag-multiply and that is 27. Then ito ay 8. So 27/8. So tatlo, that is 23/8. So the answer here is 3 and 3/8. Letter C. Number 2, 2/3 divided by 5/12. So pareho silang simple fraction. 2/3 divided by 5/12. Kopyahin si 2/3. Ang division maging multiplication. Si divisor, reciprocal ni divisor equals 12/5. Pwede na nating i-multiply. And this is 24. And this one is 15. So itong improper fraction na to gawin nating mixed number. 24 divided by 15. May isang 15 dyan. 24 minus 15 and that is 9/15. Itong 9/15, ang greatest common factor niya ay 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So ang answer dito ay 1 and 3/5. Letter A. Another way is ito. Si 12/3, pwede naman natin yang ma-divide or ma-list, which is 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So, ang multiply na lang natin ay si 2 times 4 equals 8. Tapos, 5, kasi wala na dito, over 5. So, 8/5 is equivalent to 1 and 3/5. So, yan yung shortcut. Letter A ang sagot. Number 3, 4 times 1/3. Multiplication tayo. So, i-multiply lang natin itong whole number. This is already considered as numerator. Kasi ang lahat ng mga whole number, mayroon yung automatic na numerator na 1. So, 4 times 1 equals 4. Tapos, 1 times 3 equals 3. 4/3. From improper fraction, gawin nating mixed numbers, which is 1 and 1/3. Paano yan gawin? Parang ganito lang yan. Mag-divide ta ba? 4 divided by 3. So, that is 1. And then 1 times 3 equals 3. 1. Ito yung whole number. Ito yung gawin nating numerator. Numerator. Tapos, ito naman ang si denominator. Para klaro lang, gawa natin ang colored. Ito, whole number. Ito, dito. Ito naman si 3. Ito yon. Yan. So, the answer is letter A, 1 and 1/3. Number 4, 6 times 2/3. Multiplication ulit tayo. Itong whole number na 6, mayroon niyang automatic na 1 na denominator. So, 6 times 2 equals 12. Tapos, 1 times 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So, the answer here is 4. Another way is si 6 at saka si 3, pwede mo man yang sulat natin ulit ha. 6. Tapos itong whole number na 6, mayroon yang automatic na 1. Tapos 2/3. Pwede mo naman yang i-diretso. So 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Wala naman tayong denominator na. 1 lang yan. So the answer is letter D, 4. Number 5, 1/4 divided by 2 and 4, 7. So, ito, mayroon na naman tayong mixed numbers. So, gawin muna natin itong improper fraction. First, kopyahin si 1/4 divided by. So, from mixed numbers to a proper fraction, 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 plus 4 equals 18. So, kopyahin si denominator. Ngayon, mag-divide tayo. Itong 1/4 kopyahin lang. Ang division maging multiplication. Reciprocal ni divisor, 7/18. Equals. Pwede na tayo mag-multiply and that is 7. 4 times 18. Ganito lang yan. Pag mag-multiply ka ng nasa isip lang. 18. Para mas madali. Dalawang 18 that is 36. Tapos another dalawang 18 that is 72. So 4 times 18 equals 72. So ang sagot dito ay 7/72, letter B. Number 6. 2 and 5/8 divided by 1/3. Meron tayong mixed numbers dito. So gawin muna natin siyang improper fraction. 8 times 2 equals 16 plus 5 equals 21. Tapos, kopyahin si 8 divided by 1/3. In other words, si 2 and 5/8 is equivalent to 21/8. Kopyahin lang ito, 21/8. Ang division maging multiplication. Si 1/3 maging whole number or maging 3/1. Ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. 21 times 3 equals 63. 8 times 1 equals 8. So, 63/8. Para mas klaro lang, ganito ang gagawin natin. 63 divided by 8, and this is 7, 56, and 63 minus 56, and this is 7. So, itong 7 na to, ito yung whole number natin. Ito naman yung remainder na gawin nating numerator. Tapos itong divisor natin or yung denominator, kopyahin lang yan si denominator. So ito na yung sagot. Letter B. Number 7, 1 and 1/2 divided by 2 and 1/4. Mixed numbers ulit. Gawin natin improper fraction. So 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. Divided by 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, bali itong si 1 and 1/2 ay equivalent ng 3/2 at saka si 2 and 1/4 is equivalent to 9/4. Kopyahin lang ito, 3/2. Ang division maging multiplication. Ito naman reciprocal, 4/9. Mag-multiply na tayo, that is 12. This one is equals to 18. So, ang greatest common factor nito ay 6. So, 12 divided by 6 is 2. 16 divided by 6 is 3. So, the answer here is 2/3, letter A. Another way is itong 4 at saka itong 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Si 3 at saka si 9. So, divided by 3, ito, bali, ang greatest common factor nila ay 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So, ang i-multiply mo na lang ay ito. 1 times 2 equals 2. Tapos, wala ka na. 3 naman lang ang natira dyan. So, ito na siya. So, mas mabilis siya na paraan. The answer is letter A. Number 8. 2 and 1/3 times 5 and 1/2 times 3/11. Multiplication. Mayroon tayong isang mixed numbers dito. Gawin muna natin siyang improper fraction. So, 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So, 7, kopyahin si denominator na 3. Mayroon pa pala isa mixed numbers din. So, gawin natin improper fraction. 2 times 5 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. Kopyahin si denominator. Tapos yung isa, kopyahin na lang. Ngayon, doon tayo, shortcut na tayo. Huwag na natin siyang i-multiply. Ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-multiply numerator to numerator at saka denominator to denominator. Kaso, para mas mabilis, ito i-cancel mo lang siya. Ito namang si 3, cancel mo lang siya. So, ang natira na lang ay 7/2. So, 7/2 is equivalent to 3 and 1/2. So, ang answer dito ay letter A, 3 and 1/2. Number 9. 7 and 3/5 divided by 1/4. Mayroon tayong mixed numbers dito. Gawin muna natin siyang improper fraction. 5 times 7 equals 35 plus 3 equals 38. Kopyahin ang denominator. Divide 1/4. So ito, kopyahin lang. And then sa division, maging multiplication, si 1/4, reciprocal niya. Now, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. So, 38 times 4, para mas madali, dalawang 38, that is 76. So, dalawang 76, and that is 152 over 5. 5 times 1 over 5. So, ang answer 152, para mas malinaw, 152 divided by 5 times 5 equals 0, and this is 0. Then, remainder mo 2. So, ito yung whole number mo, 30. Ito yung remainder mo, yan yung numerator mo. Then, itong divisor mo, yan yung denominator mo, or kopyahin lang si denominator. So, ang answer dito ay 30 and 2/5. Letter C. Number 10. 3/4 times 1 and 1/6. Mayroon na naman tayong mixed numbers. Gawin muna natin siyang improper fraction. Kopyahin muna natin si 3/4 times 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So, 7 over 6. Yan yung equivalent nito. So, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. 3 times 7 equals 21. 4 times 6 equals 24. So, ang greatest common factor ng dalawa para ma-list natin ay 3. So, divide natin ng 3. This is 7. Divided natin ng 3 ang isa. This is 8. So, ang answer dito ay letter C, 7 over 8. Now, let's do the shortcut. Ito, ipagpares mo itong pwede mong ipares ba? So, 3 over 6. So, ang greatest common factor niya ay 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So, ang multiply mo lang ay ito. 1 times 7 equals 7. 4 times 2 equals 8. So, 7 over 8. Now, let's do set number 27. 5 items word problems about fractions. Now, each problem I'm going to give you 1 minute to solve them. Before I'm going to show you the detailed solutions in each problem. Number 1. Medyo mahaba siya. So, read it with your eyes only. Para sa explanation natin, so babasahin ko. Consider this as reading comprehension. Dapat intindihin natin yung given para makathink tayo kung paano siya sagutan or ano yung sagot. Number 1. Meryl ordered a claw hammer, 4 drill bits, a work light, large clamp, 2 screwdrivers, 7 toggle bolts. So, if I mispronounce any words here, ignore nyo lang. Importante makasolve tayo nito. 16 2 penny nails, 3 paint brushes, and 14-inch level from a mail order house. So far, she has received the hammer, 3 drill bits, the level, 1 screwdriver, the clamp, and all 2 penny nails. What fraction of her order has she received? Dito pa lang, alam mo na ang denominator natin ay yung total, tapos ang numerator natin ay yung na-receive. So, lahat ng na-receive niya I-total natin. 1, 4, 1, 1. This is 2, 7. This is 16. 3. This is 148 inch. Then that's it. I-add natin yan lahat. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 16, 19, 20, plus 16, and that is 36. 36 ang total. Next, ang na-receive niya. 1 hammer, 3, tapos isang level, 1 screwdriver, 1 clamp, and all the 2 penny nails. Ilan ba yung mga penny nails? 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 plus 16 is 23. So, what fraction of her order has she received? The answer is 23 over 36. Letter C. Number 2, Lou makes $7.75 an hour. He worked 38 1/5 hours last week. How much money did he earn? I-multiply lang natin yan. 7.75 times 38.2. Ang 1/5 is equivalent to 0.2. So, i-multiply lang natin. 2 times 5, that is 10, then 5, 5, 1. Next is 0026, and this is 5232. Okay, then let's add them. 5, 10, carry 1, 6, 9, 2. Decimal place, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, ang answer ay 296.05. Letter B. Number 3. A lasagna receipt calls for 3 1/2 pounds of noodles. How many pounds of noodles are needed to make 1/3 of the receipt? 1/3 lang. So, kung i-revise natin yung given, bali 1/3 of 3 1/2 lang. So, yan na yung baling sagot natin. 1/3 of 3 1/2 is what? Kopyahin si 1/3. Ang of ay equivalent ng multiplication. At itong mixed number na 3 and 1/2 gawin nating improper fraction kasi mag-multiply tayo. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Tapos kopyahin ang denominator. Ngayon pwede na tayong mag-multiply. Numerator to numerator, 1 times 7 equals 7. 3 times 2 equals 6. Improper fraction ito, gawin nating mixed number. So that is 1. 7 divided by 6, that is 1. Ang remainder niya ay gawin nating numerator na 1 at kopyahin si denominator na 6. So ang answer dito ay 1 and 1/6, letter D. Uulitin ko para mas lalo maintindihan. Ang isang receipt daw, kailangan ng 3 and 1/2 pounds of noodles. Ngayon, hindi siya buo, bali 1/3 lang ang gagawin niya. So, 1/3 of 3 and 1/2. Kaya 1/3 of 3 and 1/2. Yan na yung, dito na yung sagot. Ito na yung answer natin, 1 and 1/6. Uulitin ko para mas lalong maintindihan. So, bali itong 3 and 1/2. Yan na yung isang receipt. Ikaso lang, 1/3 lang ang gagamitin niya. So, yung 1/3 of 3 and 1/2, kaya ganito, 1/3 of 3 and 1/2, ay yan na yung answer natin. So, kaya ganito ang solution natin. Another way of solving is 3 and 1/2, 1/3 lang. So, i-divide natin ng 3. So, kung i-divide natin ng 3, itong 3 and 1/2, gawin nating improper fraction, so 7 over 2. Division maging multiplication, itong si 3, kasi dinivide natin ng 3 ito. So, ang reciprocal ng 3, which is 1/3. So, ganun pa rin. 7 over 6 pa rin ang sagot, and that is equivalent to 1 and 1/6. Number 4, a lasagna recipe requires 1 and 1/2 pounds of cheese. Ang isang lasagna. Approximately how many lasagna can be made from 20 and 1/3 pound block of cheese? I-divide mo lang yan. Si 20 and 1/3 divided by 1 and 1/2. Mixed numbers, gawin muna natin itong improper fraction. 3 times 20 equals 60 plus 1 equals 61. Kopyahin ang denominator na 3. Then ito rin, 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3 over 2. Tapos, nag-divide tayo ng mga fractions. So, itong una ay kopyahin lang. Si division maging multiplication at itong divisor natin reciprocal ni divisor. 61 times 2 and that is 122. 3 times 3 and that is 9. Para klaro lang, ito ang gagawin natin. 122 divided by 9 and this is 9, 3, 2, 3, 27 and this is 5. Itong 13, yan yung whole number natin. Si 5, yan yung numerator natin. At kopyahin yung denominator na 9. Ngayon ang answer ay 13 and 5 over 9. The question is, wala sa choices. Pero, take note, approximately. So, malapit dito sa 13 and 5 over 9. First, ang whole number ang tingnan natin. Sa choices, letter A lang ang 13. So this is already correct. Tingnan mo ang 5 over 9. Ang 5 over 9, decimal natin yan. That is 0.5555 yan. So, malapit siya sa 1/2. So the answer here is letter A. Number 5. For health reasons, Ami wants to drink 8 glasses of water a day. He's already had 6 glasses. What fraction of 8 glasses does Ami have left to drink? 8 minus 6 equals 2. 2 na lang ang iinumin niya. So yung left, ito yung iinumin pa lang niya. Tapos yung total. And that is, yung iinumin pa lang niya ay 2. Yung total ay 8. I-list natin yan by finding the greatest common factor na 2, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the answer here is letter C, 1/4.